In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Excel file to Gmail. Now, this may seem like a simple task, and fortunately it is once you know the right steps to follow. Whether you're sending an important report to your boss or sharing a budgeting spreadsheet with a friend, these easy to follow steps will ensure your Excel file gets exactly where it needs to go. First things first, make sure that the Excel file you want to send is saved on your computer. It's essential because you'll need to locate this file when it's time to attach it to your email. If the file isn't already saved, go ahead and open it in Excel and save it in an easy to find location on your desktop or within your Documents folder. Next, go ahead and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll want to start a new email message. In Gmail, you'll usually find a Compose button located on the left side of the screen. Click that button and a new email window will pop up, ready for you to draft your message. With your new email message open, it's time to add the attachment. Look for the attachment icon, which typically resembles a paperclip. This icon is usually found at the bottom of the Compose window, so keep an eye out for it. Click this icon and a file selection window should pop open. Now it's time to locate the Excel file you saved earlier. Use the file selection window to navigate to the location on your computer where you saved your Excel file. Once you found the correct file, go ahead and select it. After highlighting the file, look for the Open button, usually situated at the bottom right of the window, and click it. This action will attach the file to your email message. Now that your file is securely attached, you're ready to add the details of your email. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field, making sure it's accurately typed to avoid the message going astray. Then add a concise and informative subject line. This helps the recipient understand the essence of your email at a glance. You can also include any additional text you'd like to accompany your attachment. A short note or explanation can provide useful context for your recipient. Finally, once you're satisfied with the content of your email and the attachment, it's time to send it off. Double check everything one last time to ensure that both the file and the details are correct. Then when you're ready, click the Send button. And that's it, your Excel file is now on its way to the recipient via Gmail. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. We'll see you in the next video.